So good morning everyone. Last class I gave a video on mole concept and I think that many of you have messaged me that the concept is partially clear to you. So today again I will give some more idea on mole concept before I go to the next part. So I am actually doing the part 1 only, calculations. So we know that mole concept means this line. 1 mole is equal to molar mass is equal to 22.4 liter equals to 6.1023 atoms. This is in terms of mass, this is in terms of volume, and this is in terms of number of atoms. Suppose this is a question I gave. What number of atoms are present in 50 liter of water? So see what they have asked you. What number of atoms? And what they have given? 50 liter. Which means volume they have given and they have asked you what number of atoms. Okay, they have asked you what number of atoms and they have, the volume they have given is 50 liter. So how you find out? See mole concept. Mole concept क्या बोलता है? 22.4 liter में this much atoms you have. So you write 22.4 liter has 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. Why I have written like this? Because they have told to compare number of atoms and volume. So I have taken these two. So 22.4 liter has this much atoms. Therefore 1 liter has this much divided by 22.4 atoms. Therefore 50 liter has 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 by 22.4 into 50 atoms. Calculation you do. This is the mole concept. Mole concept का statement एक ही है. Questions are variety. You have to see the questions given in mole concept. Different type of questions में तुमको यही use करना है. But कैसे use करना है? This is the thing. How to use the mole concept. Statement is one. That mole means molar mass. Molar mass means volume. This much volume means this much number of atoms. Okay. So they have told me, given me volume and they have told me DF. So I have taken this. See one more question. In the exercise, in the example exercise I have given, some questions I have given to you. Now I am not able to remember what are the questions I have given, but I am explaining you this type of question only. Suppose one more question is there, that stoichiometry बोलता हूँ. क्या बोलते हैं? Stoichiometry मतलब how much they will give you how much. Now suppose calculate the number of moles in number A 392 gram of H2SO4, number B 100 liter of calcium carbonate, number C 500 atoms of, suppose you take phosphorus. Number of moles you have to find out in 392 gram of sulfuric acid, 100 liter of calcium carbonate, 500 atoms of phosphorus. क्या निकालने बोला है? Number of moles. How many formulas you have of number of moles? Tell me. You have 3 formulas. Given mass by molar mass, given volume by 22.4, and given number of atoms divided by Avogadro's number. तो ये 3 में तुम लोग क्या क्या लगाएगा? Which formula will apply? Now see. इसमें क्या दिया हुआ है वो देखो. They have given you mass or not. So which means in this question you will apply. In this question you will apply number of moles equal to given mass by molar mass. Number of moles is equal to given mass by molar mass. That is equal to 392 divided by, take out the molar mass, H2SO4 मतलब 2 plus 32 plus 64. Take out. अंडरस्टूड. सो ये इसमें क्या लगाएगा, गिवन मास में मोलर मास. क्यों लगाया? बिकॉज मास इज गिवन. Now here you have been given volume 100 liter. So which formula you will apply? Number of moles equals to given volume divided by 22.4. Why you have applied this formula? Because what they have given? Volume. Here में क्या दिया हुआ है? Atoms. So which formula will apply? Number of moles equal to given number of atoms divided by Avogadro's. This is mole concept. Simple. जो दिया है वैसा नंबर ऑफ मोल्स तुम लोग निकालो. गिवन मास बाय मोलर मास, गिवन मास बाय मोलर मास, गिवन मास नहीं. इसमें लगाया हम गिवन मास बाय मोलर मास बिकॉज मास दिया हुआ है. इसमें हम लगाया गिवन वॉल्यूम बिकॉज वॉल्यूम दिया हुआ है. इसमें हम लगाए गिवन एटम्स बिकॉज एटम्स दिया हुआ है. Yesterday's one classwork का क्वेश्चन. Yesterday's one classwork का क्वेश्चन. Calculate the number of atoms and molecules in 0.1 mole of P4. This was last class का question. Now calculate the number of atoms and molecule in 0.1 mole of P4. Okay. So the question is calculate the number of atoms and molecules in 0.1 mole of P4. 0.1 mole of P4. Atoms and molecules. Now which is a molecule? You tell me. This is a molecule or this is an atom? This is actually a molecule. Means one molecule of P4 has 4 atoms of P. Here. One molecule of P4 means 4 atoms of P. So if I take P4, then 1 mole of P4 will have 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of P4. P4 का पूरा. 1 mole of P4 has this much molecules of P4. I have taken P4 now. So, but if I talk about P, then एक molecule में 4 atom of P है. तो इतना molecules में 4 into this much atoms of P is there. So 1 mole of P4 means this much molecules of P4. अगर molecule बोलता है तो P4. 4 into this much atoms of P. अगर atom बोलता है तो 4 multiply करना पड़ेगा. You have to multiply 4 if you are talking about atom. So 1 mole has this much molecules of P4, which equal to 4 into this much atoms of P. So now simple. Now if you do 1 mole means this much, so 0 point means what? So therefore 0.1 mole of P4 will have 0.1 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of P4. Multiply this by 0.1. नीचे वाला भी multiply by 0.1. 0.1 into 4 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of P. Finished. This is the mole concept. So mole concept means 1 mole means molar mass, means 22.4 liter, means 6.0 over 23 atoms. और अगर molecules बोलेगा तो ये पूरा वाला, और अगर atoms बोलेगा तो ये number you have to multiply. So 1 mole of P4 means this much P4, this much atom. So 0 point means this much into 0.1 देगा P4, and this lower one into 0 point will give you atoms. So this is again a mole concept. Today you see this, try to understand the mole concept once more. Send me the doubts. Tomorrow I will continue the part 2. This is part 1 only we are doing. Part 2 means equation लिखे. ये सब तो equation नहीं है इसमें. Chemical equation में mole concept कैसे apply होता है, that I will teach. Okay. So thank you very much. Messages are coming, so send will come. Thank you very much, and try to understand. Any problem, get back to me. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.